Hello students, in previous video we have done worksheet number 1 in which we have converted a bigger unit into smaller unit, and now today we will convert smaller unit of capacity into bigger unit. Now converting smaller unit into bigger unit. Now here you know that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. That means 1000 milliliters makes 1 liter. So here we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, and you know what we have to do. Whenever we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, small to big, then what we do? We divide. We always divide by the relation between the two units. So let us take the examples. Suppose 72,000 milliliters. Suppose we have to convert 72,000 milliliters into liter. So what we have to do? This is same as we have done in previous units. That means unit 5 and 6. So whenever we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide by 1000 because 1000 milliliters makes 1 liter. So 72,000 divided by 1000. So the answer is, so what we have to do? How can we divide? There are 3 zeros in 1000, so we will remove the last 3 digits, separate the last 3 digits. So the answer is 72 liters, and 000 ml means nothing, so there is no need to write the milliliters. Now let us take one more example. Suppose 3972 milliliters, and we have to convert this into liters. So again, same way, we have to divide it by 1000. So again, separate the last 3 digits because 3 zeros are there in 1000. So the answer is 3 liters and 972 milliliters. So in this way we can convert this milliliter into liters and milliliter. So this is nothing new, you have already done this. So we will start with the worksheet number 2, in which we have to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit. Worksheet 2. Convert the following into liters. Now a part is 9000 ml. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. So 9000 divided by 1000 ml. 1000. So we have to separate last 3 digits. So answer is 9 liter, and 000 ml means nothing, so we will not write milliliter. Now I will do C part after A part. 7530 milliliter. So again, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. So separate the 3 digits, last 3 digits. So the answer is 7 liters. So what is left after separating last 3 digits? Only 1 digit is left, that is 7. So 7 liter 530 milliliters. Now next is D part, that is 8008 milliliter. So We have to convert milliliter into liter, smaller unit into bigger unit, so we have to divide it by 1000. So separate last three digits. So what will left is 8 liters and 0008 milliliters. So either you can write like this, or आप 8 liter and 8 milliliter लिखेंगे, then also it is correct. If you will write like this, 8 liter and 8 milliliter, then also the answer is correct. Now next is 6902 milliliter. So again same way, we have to convert this into liters, so divided by 1000, smaller to big units. Separate last three, so 6 liters and 902 milliliter. Now F part, 14,098 milliliters. So again divided by 1000. Separate last three digits. So here, how many digits are left now? 2 digits. So that is 14 liters and 98 milliliter. 14 लीटर एंड 98 मिलीलीटर. यहाँ पर आपकी 1 डिजिट्स बच रही थी, इसलिए आप 1 डिजिट लिख रहे थे लीटर्स में. यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट्स बची है, इसलिए आप 2 डिजिट्स का होगा 14 लीटर. जी पार्ट 10,001 milliliter. So you have to convert this into liters. So how will you convert? Divided by 1000. 3 separate last 3 digits. What is left is 10 liter and 1 milliliter. It is up to you. If you want to write 001, then you can write. वो भी आपका गलत नहीं होगा. If you will write like this, then also it is correct. So in this way you can convert the smaller unit into bigger unit. And now the addition and subtraction. So this is again same addition and subtraction of capacity. So in this also you have to do in the same way as we have done in previous 2 chapters units, that is length and weight. So first of all we will learn how to add. So let us take the example. Suppose we have to add, I will write the question here. Suppose we have to add 95 liters, 431 milliliter and 35 liters and 627 milliliters. So first of all we will arrange them in column, so you know what we have to write first. First of all we will write the units. अब now suppose in exam आपको ऐसे तो नहीं है कि एक यूनिट में से आएगा, आपको 3 यूनिट सेम है, आपकी ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, एक जैसा ही आपने करना है. ओनली द डिफरेंस इज इन द यूनिट्स. आपको डिफरेंस क्या है? यूनिट्स में ही है. बाकी एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन इज सेम in all the 3 units, that is length, weight and capacity. So how can you separate? Only by units. जो ये है इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? यूनिट्स का ही डिफरेंस है. So there you write kilometer, meter, meter, centimeter or kilogram, gram. Now here the units are liter and milliliter. So हम लिखेंगे liter and milliliter. Now in addition हम कोई भी नंबर हम पहले लिख सकते हैं, हमें कंपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है which one is greater. So we'll write like this, 95 liters and 431 milliliter, and here 35 liters and 627 milliliter. Now we have to add them. So what we have to do now? So very easy. First of all we will start adding the milliliters. और ये कितना होना चाहिए? If it is less than 1000 तो हम इसको डायरेक्ट ऐड कर देंगे. But if it is more than 1000 or more than 1000, then we have to convert this into liters and milliliters. बिकॉज 1000 या उससे ज़्यादा ये लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो हेयर it is more than 1000. So after adding it, what we get is 1058 milliliter. So now we have to convert this into liter and milliliter. Why? Because 1058 ml जो है उसमें से liter convert हो जाएगा. So how can we convert? By dividing it by 1000. So separating last three digits, 1 liter and 58 milliliter. So now milliliter के नीचे आ जाएगा and liter यहाँ पर carry over चले जाएगा. So 1 liter will go as carry over and our answer is 58 milliliter. We will write over here. Now we will add the liters. So we will write liters here. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1 is 11. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3 is 13. 131 liter and 58 milliliter. So this is the answer. Now you have to see, keep it in mind the units. Procedure is same जो आपने पहले किया था. The only difference is in units. So be careful while writing the units. अगर आंसर में आपने units wrong लिख दी, बाकी आपने सेम लिखा है, तो आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे. सो यू मस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड. फर्स्ट थिंग इज डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द यूनिट्स एंड सेकंड थिंग इज राइट करेक्ट यूनिट्स. पहले तो भूलना नहीं है लिखना. कई बच्चे हैं जो यूनिट्स लिखना ही भूल जाते हैं. सो उस केस में भी आपके मार्क्स कट होते हैं. और अगर आपने रॉन्ग यूनिट्स लिखी देन ऑल्सो योर मार्क्स विल बी कट. सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल solve some more problem based on addition and subtraction. Thank you.